Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, you are welcome, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. In today's video, I will be showing you how to make these delicious custard cookies or melting moments. All of the ingredients are available in the description box. I'm going to start off with 250 grams of margarine butter. Your margarine butter should have at least 70% fat, and I recommend you use Rama if it's available in your country. It's a very good butter. You can use it for cookies and baking cakes. The butter should be softened, and I'm just going to get my electric mixer. You can also use a whisk for this, and you just want to whisk the butter until it becomes fluffy. After mixing it very well, you're going to add 1 cup of icing sugar, and if you do not have icing sugar, you can also use castor sugar. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. And then we're going to add half a cup of custard powder. I am using Moss custard powder. And guys, all the products I'm using today is not that I'm sponsored. I just want to show you the products that I love using. And that's a half cup of custard powder. We are also just going to put it into our bowl. And then we are also going to add half a cup of vegetable or cooking oil. Then we're going to get the electric mixer or your whisk and mix together our cookie batter. Just mix it thoroughly until it becomes fluffy. So you can mix it for around about 5 minutes. After mixing the butter very well, we are going to add 2 cups of cake wheat flour, and then you're going to get a spatula or a wooden spoon and just mix the flour together with the butter very well until everything is well combined. This is how the cookie batter is looking like after mixing it. And now I'm just going to grease my baking tin with some butter, but I'm going to lightly grease it because the cookie batter is already having a lot of butter. You can now go ahead and put your cookie batter into a piping bag, a Ziploc bag, or a syringe, an icing syringe like the one I'm using. And now we're going to pipe our cookie dough. You can pipe it into whatever shape you would like. We're going to place it into a preheated oven, and we're going to bake it at 180 degrees Celsius for 12 to 15 minutes. The cookies are now baked. We're just going to let them cool down for some minutes, and then we're going to remove them from the pan. And there we have it, guys. We just made these delicious custard cookies. You can enjoy them with tea or with some coffee. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please do not forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends, subscribe if you haven't already. Bye guys, see you in the next video.